In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ninjatrader Level 2. Level 2, often called Market Depth, shows you more than just the best bid and ask. It reveals multiple layers of buying and selling interest at different prices, so you can see how much liquidity sits above and below the current market. This gives you a clearer picture of potential support, resistance, and how the order book is shaping up in real time. To get started in Ninjatrader 8, go to the Control Center, select New, and then choose Level 2. That opens the Level 2 window for the instrument you're tracking. Inside the Level 2 window, the layout is straightforward. On the left, you'll see the bid side. These are prices where buyers are willing to purchase, along with the size at each price level. On the right, you'll see the ask side, showing prices where sellers are willing to sell and the size available there. Prices closer to the center represent the best bid and the best ask, which together form the current spread. As you move farther away from the middle, you're seeing deeper levels of the order book. Sizes are typically shown as quantities, such as shares or contracts, depending on the instrument. Think of the left side as the buyers stepping up to the plate and the right side as the sellers lining up. Larger sizes can imply areas of interest where price might pause, although those levels can appear, change, or disappear quickly. Watching how the depth refreshes can help you gauge momentum. For example, if you see bids stacking up at higher price levels, that can indicate strengthening demand. If asks start building above, it can signal growing supply. The speed at which sizes update can also hint at volatility. Faster changes usually mean more active trading conditions. You're not limited to a single symbol in this view. You can open multiple instruments via tabs in the Level 2 window. This lets you switch between different markets efficiently, compare liquidity from one instrument to another, or keep a close eye on correlated products without juggling separate windows. It's a clean way to maintain context across your watch list while focusing on the depth of each market. As you use Level 2, keep your eyes on the relationship between the best bid and ask, the spread, and how sizes evolve around the inside market. Combine what you see with your existing chart analysis and risk management. Level 2 doesn't predict the future, but it gives you a live snapshot of interest and participation across multiple price levels, which can sharpen your decision-making. That's the essential tour of Ninjatrader Level 2, how to open it, how it's structured, and how to read what it's telling you.